Well, hello everybody and welcome to this week's Pantry Soap Making with Soap School. In today's show, we're going to be making a mango and coconut milk soap. And you can see it's a standard recipe. We're using olive oil, palm oil and coconut oil. But you could switch that to whatever your regular recipe is. And part of our water phase of the lye solution is going to be made up of mango puree. Now you can either buy a mango puree in cans, you can get it in pouches, or you can just use the fresh fruit and puree it down yourself. But do make sure it's nice and smooth. You do not want any lumps in there whatsoever. And we're also using coconut milk. Now it's coconut milk powder that we're going to be using today. And this is going to be added into our puree to start off the process. So just simply add in the powdered coconut, mix it into the puree. You may have spotted that I've got 3 hands again this week. Very talented. I know a few of you have commented on it before, and that's because I have a wonderful helper with me, and that's Sean. And if any of you have been on our courses, you'll have already know Sean, but he's wonderful. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but the mixture is still lumpy, and that's the reason that we're going to be adding it into our warm oils right at the beginning, and we're going to give it a blitz with the stick blender to really break down the lumps from the coconut milk in with the puree before we start adding any lye solution in there. So we're just going to go ahead now and give that a really quick blitz. And that is going to really start breaking up the milk. It's already very smooth, but we're really going to make sure that it's properly blended. Now this to me is very tropical. Those beautiful tropical fruits and the coconuts, like a summer holiday, even if you can't go on holiday. So we're going to now add in the lye solution. Give it a good mix up. If you've liked the video so far, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love you to join in with our weekly show. And I'd also love it if you could comment and let me know where you've been on holiday this year. Have you gone anywhere tropical? Is there somewhere that you're planning on going? You see that's gone much, much darker now. Let's give it a blitz. I was very lucky this year for my holiday. I got to go over to America and we went to the Handmade Soap Makers Guild. It was in Atlanta this year and we got to meet up with hundreds of other amazing soap makers. It was just an incredible experience. If any of you have been to a soap making conference, I would love to hear about your experience and where you went. I know that in America and some of the other areas, there are quite a few of them. And that looks absolutely delicious. Look at that. It's almost like a mango smoothie. Let's go ahead and get that poured into the mold. Now we do get questions about these molds, and these are not something that we can provide or even give you details of because the company is no longer in operation to our knowledge. But I have seen these available on a couple of South Korean sites. So if you're really interested, you might be able to find them there. But there are so many options available to you when it comes to molds. Don't feel that you have to be stuck with just one thing. Go with what's available in your area. And there, that's just putting a lovely texture to the surface. Whichever way that you want to finish your soap is absolutely fine. This is your soap. Now, if you have enjoyed today's show, I would love it if you'd subscribe. Let me know where you're going on holiday this year and if you've ever made anything using fresh mangoes and coconut milk. I look forward to seeing you in another episode really, really soon. Bye bye for now.